Well, hello there. Welcome to another little break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett Me, and today I've got two hanger packs, fat packs of Donruss Optic baseball with the exclusive 4 lime green parallels. Right now, it's like ridiculously difficult to find anything in retail, so unless you're going to an LCS and getting boxes of product and stuff, it's few and far between finding anything. And I actually found this, I think it was Thursday when I stopped into the grocery store, and they actually had some of these at the store. They had place cards for the Chronicles and Mosaic basketball, but nothing, just empty shelves. So yeah, so I saw these, so I decided what the heck, makes for a quick fun rip. And since I was still looking for archives and couldn't find it, I decided why pass it up? Because who knows what you might get in this. So we'll just get right into it and see what we pull. So we start off with a Paul Goldschmidt, Charlie Blackmon, Justin Verlander. We got a Wander Franco rated prospect, Don Mattingly, the retro, I think that's like 86 Donruss design insert, Sam Hilliard rated rookie, Diamond King Pete Alonso, Randy Arozarena rated rookie for the Tampa Bay Rays, Ronald Bolanos for the Padres, another Diamond King for Juan Soto. Oh, stab me. Javi Baez. Got a Rafi Devers stained glass. It's kind of cool looking. And got a Jeff McNeil, the lime green, the first one. Alberto Mondesi for the Royals. And Aaron Savale for the Indians. And a Ketel Marte, Diamond King. That's pretty sharp looking. Second pack. Again, like I say, don't expect anything out of these, considering it's just, oh, that's an interesting one. Mythical insert of Vlad Jr. Jalen Davis rated rookie, Shane Bieber Diamond King, Joe Palumbo for the Rangers, Nick Solak for the Rangers. It's funny, back-to-back Rangers. Cody Bellinger, Diamond King. Steven Strasburg for the Nationals. Jose Ramirez for the Indians. Gleyber Torres, Yankees. Trey Mancini, Orioles. Masahiro Tanaka, Yankees. Got a nice Shohei Ohtani, lime green. Yeah, we'll keep him over there. Chris Bryant, Gavin Lux rookie, and a Marco Gonzalez Diamond King. And then the last one is the rookies, Aquino for the Reds, who got sent to the alternate site, so he's not playing in the majors right now. So I'd say probably the best thing out of there was you got the stained glass Rafi Devers, the mythical Vlad Jr., and the 2 lime green, a Gavin Lux rookie, and the Shohei Ohtani. That was pretty much it. So again, hope you liked the video, and if you did, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe so that you get notified of future videos. But hope you have a great rest of your Saturday, and as always, keep collecting.